Tell me about yourself. Sir, I'd be happy too. My name is Saul and I am junior full stack developer. I recently did a bootcamp with a full stack developer. I am excited to start my career in the tech industry. I always been interested in technology and coding, and I spend a lot of my free time in college working on personal projects and learning new programming language and framework. I enjoy the process of taking an idea and turning into it of functionality and useful application. I am always looking for the new challenge and opportunities to improve my skill. In my first personal project, I worked to develop a web application that helped users track their daily homework. It was a great learning experience and helped me develop my skill in both front-end and back-end. Outside of work, I enjoy reading and hang out my daughter, and I always on the looking of the new technology course. I am also a big fan of basketball and follow the NBA closely. Overall, I'm excited about the prospect of starting my career as a full stack developer and contributing to innovate and impactful projects. What programming language and framework have you worked with before and which one are you most comfortable with? I have experience working with several programming languages and frameworks. In terms of front-end development, I have worked with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have also worked with React and Vue.js framework for building user interfaces. For backend, I have worked with Node.js to building RESTful API. In terms of database, I have experience working with MySQL and MongoDB. Overall, I will say that I am most comfortable with JavaScript and its associated framework, including React and Node.js, and enjoy the flexibility and versatility of JavaScript. And I appreciate the large community of developers and resources available to learn and improve my skills. Can you explain the difference between from backend and development and what tool or technology do you see for each? So, front-end development is concerned with building the parts of the website or application that users interact with directly. This includes the visual design, layout, and user interface components like buttons, fonts, and menus. Front-end developers typically use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create these elements and frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js to simplify the development process. On the other hand, backend developers, on the other hand, focus on building the behind-the-scenes functionality that powers a website or application. This includes server-side programming, data storage and retrieval, and integration with third-party servers or API. Backend developers use languages like Java, Python, Ruby, or PHP, and frameworks like Node.js, Django, or Flask to building these components. As a full stack developer, I have experience working on both front-end and back-end developer. For front-end developer, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with frameworks like React and Vue.js to build responsible and interactive user interface. For back-end developer, I have used only Node.js to build RESTful APIs and manage data storage retrieval. I understand that front-end and back-end developer require different skill sets and approach, but I believe that as a full stack developer it's important to be proficient in both areas in order to build high quality and efficient web applications. Thank you. See you.